Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, guys. And today is a very important topic. We are starting with Prodigy series, and this is CBS for CBSE 9. And the topic we are discussing today, which is linear equation in two variables. Now, this is the first time when you will be dealing with two variables in an equation, because till now you have always seen like most of the times it is one equation and one variable. That is what you have solved. This time we are starting with two variables, and this chapter will be further continued in grade 10th also with pair of linear equation in two variables, in which we'll be talking about two equations together. All right, so a very important topic considering your grade 10th and your grade 9th, and whatever you are going to learn obviously will be useful in your higher grades. All right, so that's why I was saying like this is a very important topic, and this will let you know that how equation in two variables will behave in this chapter, and you'll get to know that how does it look like. That means how does the graph of this look like. So we are going to learn in detail about of this chapter, all right, about linear equation in two variables. So let me introduce myself, guys. So my name is Gopal Paliwal, and I am master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, and I have been teaching from the past 5 years. Many of you might know me, some of you are very new here, so that's my introduction for all of you. And we are going to have a lot and lot of fun, guys. Just make sure that you be in this session throughout, so that you'll get to know the important things, what are the important topics and all that. ठीक है, तो I'll start with the very basic thing. I'll tell you how does a linear equation looks like, what is its general form, what are some examples. Then we'll talk about the solution of linear equation in two variables. Then in that, after that solution, we'll go for the graphs, how to draw the graphs of the linear equation in two variables. So a normal linear equation in two variables, and then there will be some equations in which we'll be talking about equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. ठीक है? All right. So now understand this thing very clearly. How important this topic must be, that its weightage is around 7 to 8 marks. You can just see how important this chapter is going to be. Definitely one big question, one graph question from the solution, and one or two extra questions. So this chapter has a lot of weightage, and it is not very difficult. It is not very difficult. If you learn it in a detailed manner, it won't be a difficult session for you. That is my guarantee. All right, it will not be a difficult chapter, and a scoring one as well. ठीक है, तो बेटा we'll be talking about today about the introduction and solution of linear equation in two variables. In the next class we'll be talking about graph of linear equation in two variables. ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं बेटा फिर with the first class. तो by the end of this session you'll be able to solve this kind of question. Don't worry, oh sir, what is all this? Don't worry, it's a very easy question, but we need to go there step by step. That is always important. Go there step by step. All right, so what is a linear equation? First, before I go for linear equation in two variables, what is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation in which the maximum power of the variable is 1. है ना? Linear is that term related to degree. So we know linear equation means degree should be equal to 1. Maximum power of the variable is 1. When I talk about linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variable, you got to know that in one variable there will be only one variable. In two variables there will be two variables, two different variables, right? So first let's talk about linear equation in one variable. So linear equation in one variable, beta, its standard form is ax plus b equal to 0. देखो, one term is of the x, degree 1 you have got from here. Now other term can be a constant term also. So plus b equal to 0. This is the standard form where a should not be equal to 0. Because if a becomes 0, x will be gone and that will be no longer a linear equation. Alright? And b and c, अच्छा c तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. A should not be equal to 0, and a and b are real numbers. ठीक है, they are real numbers. For example, 3x plus 6 equal to 2. Now you'll say, sir, equal to 0 तो है नहीं, right? So shift this 2 over there, you'll finally get 3x plus 4 equal to 0. This is in the standard form. So all linear equation in one variable can be converted into its standard form. For example, over here, shift 5t over there. So t minus 5t will be minus 4t plus 9t. Okay, so it is 10t, 5t plus 6 equal to 0. I shifted everything to that side. So again, it is in the standard form. Again, it is in the standard form. Okay? This is your linear equation in one variable, and we know how to solve this. Very easy type. Then comes your linear equation in two variables. Now guys, let's understand this problem in detail. Linear equation in two variable, apply the logic what it should be. Dekho, two variables should be there. So let's say x and y. X and y. Now they can have some coefficients also. Chalo, theek hai. Let's say here 5 and here 3. Then you can say, sir, there is a possibility of a constant number also. Chalo, theek hai. Let's say minus say 2, a constant number 2. Since it is an equation, make it equal to 0. Alright, you know it is a linear equation, so degree must be 1. So maximum power of variable can be 1 only. So the terms can be of x, y and constant terms. You cannot get x square, you cannot get y square, you cannot get x into y terms. Those will not be there. So between them you can add plus, minus, anything. So like this. So now this is a linear equation in two variable. You have formed the linear equation in two variable on your own. Right? So from here, you will get to know beta that this is a linear equation to variable. So what is the standard form? Standard form is one terms of x, one term of y and a constant term. Let's say coefficient of x is a, coefficient of y is b and a constant term is c. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This will be our standard form. Okay? Can you see over here? This is our standard form. Now one important thing I would like to tell all of you over here, that when you write only this, it will not be termed correct. Here one more condition is there. One thing we know that a, b and c are real number. Also a and b both should not be equal to 0. Both should not be equal to 0. They together should not be equal to 0. One can be 0 out of them. It's not like none of them can be 0. One of them can be 0. Say a is 0, b is there. B is 0, a is there. But both a and b cannot be 0. In that case, there will be no longer a linear equation for us. Alright. So this is the very important part. Both a and b together should not be equal to 0. So this condition mathematically can be written in this way, that a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. This condition can be written mathematically as a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. Dekho, a square plus b square, it will be equal to 0 only when both a and b is 0. A square, make a and b 0. So 0 square plus 0 square is 0. So that case should not happen, because otherwise a and b other than 0, they have any value. You can keep any one of the zeros as well. Any one of them keep 0. B, if I keep it as 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, answer will never be equal to 0. Alright. So this is the condition I can write mathematically, that both A and B are not equal to 0. So this is what my linear equation in two variable is going to look like. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Alright. So this will be called your linear equation in two variable. Now you'll say that, sir, 1 minute. If you are saying that out of A and B, one of them can be 0. So in that case, suppose if I write an equation 5x, and let's say I make the variable y's coefficient 0. So 5x plus 0 into y plus c is equal to 0. Is it a linear equation in two variable? Yes. Alright guys, remember, all linear equation in two variables, all linear equation in one variable, you can convert it to linear equation in two variables. Can be converted. The conversion is possible. You can convert them. Okay? And there are questions in your NCERT also how to convert them. Let me show you. For example, guys, you have say 2x minus 4 equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. Now you want to convert it into linear equation in two variables. So you will say, sir, 2x. The second variable you want to introduce y. But as you already know, guys, that in the original equation, y is not present. So if I write plus y minus 4 equal to 0, that will not be correct. So remember, that is why, since y was not present in the original equation, if I am writing y over here, its coefficient I am going to make 0. Minus 4 equal to 0. Now देखो, what is happening with this value of y, the equation is not changing. 0 into y is at the end 2x minus 4 only. But we can see two variables over here. For example, suppose if I have y plus 3 equal to 0, so you can say 0 into x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is how a linear equation in one variable can be converted in linear equation in two variable. That is why I have told that one of them can be 0. No problem. But if I write 0x plus 0y, that is not a linear equation in two variable because there will be no variable at all. ठीक है बच्चों? Alright. So just remember this thing. What is the use of all this? You'll be able to understand this. The use of this or the difference. Use, difference. I'll explain this to you in the next class because for that we need to have the logic, the understanding of graph. So use or difference explained in next class. Okay? So be on time in the next class also. Explained in next class. Right now I'm just telling you how to do the conversion. Okay? Its use or difference. What is the difference in the two equations? Why do we write it like that? I'll explain it to you in the next class. Alright guys, so I got to know about the basic or the standard form of linear equation in two variable, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Simple logic hai na? Ab these are your examples. You will say, sir, I know this. I also know you know this, sir. Let's move ahead. Main point. The main point is solution of linear equation in two variables. See, देखो, whenever you will see equation, solution to have to be there, है ना? It's like Jai Viru ki jodi. Equation is there, solution also should be there, है ना? Otherwise, without solution, equation is of क्या? मतलब equation is written, then it's a puzzle. We don't like problems in our life, right? We want our problems to be solved. That is why all the equations must be solved. ठीक है? If you want your problems to be solved, solve all the equations of your life. देखो, motivation right now. At the stage, best motivation class by Gopal Sir. Alright, okay. So let's solve all the equations. Now let's take an example. Let's start with an easy one. Okay, let's say I have given you an equation that x plus y equal to 3. X plus y equal to 3. This is one equation, and I will tell you, better tell me the values of x and y which will satisfy this equation. So beta, what is the first step that we do whenever we have to find out the solution? What you can do is choose any one variable out of them. You can choose x, you can choose y. So choose any one variable and assume any value for it. Okay? What I am saying, choose any one variable and assume any value of it. And assume any value of it, any value, whatever you like, any value of it you can assume. So for example, let's say bachcho, I like x and I like the value 1. So let's say I have taken x as 1. So this equation now I can write it as, in place of x, write 1 plus y equal to 3. But if x I am choosing at 1, let's see what is y. Shift 1 over there, y is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 2, and this is one solution. This is one solution of this equation. One more solution if you want to write. Let's take x as minus 1. So if I put x as minus 1 plus y equal to 3, y is equal to what? 4. This is the second solution. Y is equal to 4. Now you will say, sir, is it very important that we have to choose the value of x only? No. I have told you any variable. For example, I can start with the value of y also. Let's say y is equal to 0. So x plus 0 is equal to 3. So you'll get x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Ab, you can say guys, this is how we are getting the solution. X is equal to 1, y is equal to, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4. Alright, this is how I am getting the solution for this equation, and I have got 3 solutions till now. So can I say this equation has 3 solutions only? Can I say that this equation has 3 solutions only? Some of you will tell me, nahi sir, 3y, why 3 sir? I can take x as, you have taken x as 1, you have taken x as minus 1, you can take x as 2 also, minus 2 also, x can be taken 0 also, 4, 5, 9, 100, 10, 100, 10, did I just say 10, 100? Yeah. 1000, ठीक है, 1000, mistakes happen. So 1000, okay, 1000 is actually 1000, right? Yeah, but we don't use that way. Okay, so any value you'll pick, you'll get your solution for it. And any value you choose. Chalo, let's take x as 1000. So 1000 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus of 997. One more solution. You take x as 1 lakh. So 1 lakh plus y equal to 3. Y is equal to 99,000 minus of 99,997. Again a solution. So this way you can take any value of x or y and you'll get one more solution. So how many such values I can assume? Yeah, I can assume infinite values. I can assume it to be half, minus 3, root 2, anything. So there are infinite possibilities for choosing this value, and that is why guys, please remember, I am writing a very important line. Right now I am writing a very important line. A linear equation in 2 variables have what it has? It have infinite solution. A linear equation in 2 variables have infinite solution. Guys, remember this thing. A linear equation in 1 variable, it has only one solution. Suppose 2x2 plus x equal to 4. If you solve it, you'll get x equal to 2. So a linear equation in 1 variable has only one solution. But if I join one more variable, linear equation in 2 variable, you get infinite solution. You get infinite solution. And guys, in the next session, I'll make you visualize these infinite solution. I'll make sure that you'll be able to see this infinite solution. How from one solution you go for the infinite solution. I'll make sure that you will see everything. Alright? So let's move ahead now. So we got to know that a linear equation in 2 variable has infinite solution. Alright, take our example. Let's do one more example. Let's take some variables over here. Let's say 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Now you can choose any value if you want. Let's say put x equal to 1. So it will be 2 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 5. So 2 plus 3y is equal to 5. So 3y is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3, and y is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. You can choose, chalo x, let's see what is x when y is equal to 0. So you will say 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 by 2. This is again one more solution. So this way we can get infinite solution. Now one more thing guys. This solution of x and y, we can do one more thing, that we can write these solutions as a coordinates. That's it called ordered pair. So the solutions of these linear equation into variable, we can write it in this form x comma y. We can write it in the form of x comma y. So the solution of this, I can write this solution, I can write it as 1 comma 2. This solution I can write it as minus 1 comma 4. This solution I can write it as 3 comma 0. This is how you can write the solution. This is called ordered pair of the solution x comma y. Okay? Alright. So that is how you can find out the solution of any linear equation in 2 variables. For example, here one more equation is given, 2x plus y equal to 7. ठीक है, तो solution means beta, the meaning of solution is exactly same. What is the meaning of solution? Those values of the variables which will satisfy the equation, है ना. And in this case we get infinite solution. Please remember, any linear equation into variable will have infinite solutions. ठीक है, let's move ahead now guys. So remember infinite solution. Now let's note these things. There is only one solution for a linear equation in one variable, but for a two variable, infinitely many solutions. As there are two variables, the solution will be in the form of an ordered pair x comma y. The ordered pair x comma y that satisfy the given linear equation into variable are its solutions, meaning which I have told you. Done? Everything which I have done in today's class, the note is written over here. Now we will go for solving some questions. But before we go for solving some questions, I hope all of you are getting this idea that we over here are starting from the very basic and then we are moving up, right? But there is always some issues with this platform, where because at YouTube the personalization is not that much, है ना? Connection and say taking quizzes in all the sessions, it is not possible, right? Because I cannot take cannot take your quiz. I cannot see how much you are able to understand through quizzes, है ना? So that's always a drawback. All right, but we always come here. There is always a motive behind our mind. Yes, we do believe that there are many students in our country, like mobile phone access now has penetrated a lot in our society. Many people have mobile phones and they can use internet. So that is why, like for those children who are underprivileged and those who cannot afford the courses, for them definitely we are here on YouTube so that you can learn the things in the best quality way. But for those students who can always afford it, you have always a good choice, that is Vedantu's Pro Subscription classes. Those subscription classes will make sure that you are having a personalized approach, personalized focus, and you understand the sessions in a more effective way. You'll be able to get the quizzes, you'll be able to solve the questions, and there's a proper strategy behind those, a proper scheduled way you are going to study so that your syllabus is completed on time. So there are many features, and that is why I recommend this Vedantu Pro subscription to all our dear students. All right, so this is the most reliable source of your guidance for your studies which you'll get right now, because this comes with your Vedantu improvement promise, which is guaranteed improvement. So you will get the guarantee of your improvement, and if you don't improve by the end of the year, definitely guys, take the whole course fee back without any question asked. Yes, you heard me right. Take the whole course fee back. Whatever you have studied for 1 year, free, because you did not improve. So that's called guarantee ki you will improve. For that, a small thing which we want from all of you is you need to complete 75% of the test and 75% of the assignment should be completed. Alright, assignments or 75% of the attendance. In place of attendance, I am writing assignments. Okay, 75% of the attendance in the class. ठीक है, 75% attendance in the class. Alright, and it is very low, yeah. 75% तो मतलब हाँ, very low. Not keeping it 100% because sometimes students have genuine reasons, sometimes internet issues, sometimes some problems, so they might not be able to attend the class sometimes. That is why 75% attendance is kept there. If someone is keeping the attendance lower than 75%, so obviously you are not regular in the class, and if you are not regular in the class, no power in the world, just on the basis that you have paid for a course, will make you improve. No one can do that. Your effort is definitely there, but we are not saying that only your effort. We are giving you a promising hand, a helping hand, that beta, don't worry, I am also with you. You just come to the class and you will improve by the end of this session. Alright, so what are the features which you are going to get in this Vedantu's improvement promise, VIP promise? So with this pro subscription, what you are going to get? So first feature is beta unlimited live classes. There is no limit ki you can only attend 2 classes every day, 3 classes every day. No. Attend as many classes as you want, and all the classes are going to be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Also students from different part of the world, so you'll be able to interact with them, है ना? You can make a good community, है ना? Make new friends, make good friends from all over the world. All right, then interactive replay. That means that even when you're watching the recording, suppose right now you are watching this recorded session. In this recorded session, na beta, I cannot attend, I cannot make quizzes, and I cannot make ki हाँ चलो beta attend this quiz, all that. That is not possible. But in the interactive replay, guys, when you are watching it on the Pro subscription, even while watching the recording, you will have interactive replay, which means you will be able to attend the quizzes, you'll be able to attend the all the questions, you'll be able to get the marks for it, and you'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard. Then comes notes, test, assignments, everything in one place. Also, doubt solving in class. So when we are teaching in class, other than the master teachers, there will be extra teachers whom we call class teachers, and they will take care of your doubts. So these class teachers are specifically present in the class to take care of your doubts. They'll be connected with you throughout this class. So any doubt you are having, guys, at that moment, without any delay, ask the doubt and you'll get the solution for it. Now, what is the benefit of all this? They go, sometimes when there is no class teacher available in the class, it will be like, acha bacho, all the doubts at the end, all the doubts at the end. Now, once you got rid out, now your brain, human tendency, will keep thinking about it. Now, even after that, whatever I'll be teaching, now you'll not be focused into that teaching more, but you'll be more focused more in your doubt. That happens to every one of us, right? So, because of the doubt, our focus is lost in the later part of the class also, and that's what we don't want it to happen. Then that is why whenever you got doubt, beta, in the real time, you got doubt, ask it in the chat, you got the solution for it, focus ahead. That's the logic behind the class teachers, and it makes the class, the outcome of the class, the learning outcome of the class increases a lot with our class teachers. And then you have unlimited micro courses and crash courses to choose from. They will help you to revise any topic as many times as you want. And let's say new test is coming, just take the micro course of that chapter and get it. And guys, I am going to announce you the micro courses which I am going to take for pro students this month. So you can join those micro courses as well. I'll show you amazing topics I have taken. I have taken those topics which are like headache for many students. All right. So those topics I'm going to cover this month. So you can be a pro student and join my micro courses. Join the micro courses for those two topics. All right, guys. So remember, less is more, less price, more classes. The link for registration for Vedantu Pro Subscription is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment, and the coupon code is GPE Pro. Alright, so let me show you very quickly, guys, that how can you register yourself for that. So for example, let's say this is the video over here. Now in the video, first thing in the comment section, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now is written over here. So you can click on this link, or in the description box you can see register for Vedantu Pro Subscription. Just click on this link. Now, once we have clicked on this link, you can see over here, you can see a button change. This change button, with this, you can change your grade, you can change your board. I have kept it grade 9 CBSE. Okay? Now, beta, you have 3 classes, Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Beta, as you all know, Vedantu, we at Vedantu are a very student-centric company. We think first for our students, then for ourselves. So for that reason, guys, let me tell you one thing. These 3 courses are developed in such a way that many students require guidance only during the classes. Now, there are some students who require more guidance even after the class, and there are some students who require, say, a lot of attention, some extra, some mentors who should be guiding them throughout. They sometimes get distracted. It happens to a lot of us, and there is no wrong thing about it that you get distracted. The important thing is try to stop yourself and work on that. Have some good friends, have some good company who will motivate you to focus. So that's what is very important. And that is why these three types of courses are there, which with the different level of personalization. Pro Light is our most basic course, and it is for those students who are highly focused in their classes, highly focused, they are able to manage the studies on time. Only thing is they require the guidance in their studies, conceptual clarity, all that. So Pro Light is for all those students, because you'll get live classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, and doubt solving in the classes. So even if you're getting doubts, that will be resolved during the class. So all the features which I've told you till now, they come only in Pro Lite also. Okay? Then comes Pro Classic Beta, and Pro Classic has one extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. So this is for those students, like even after studying in the class, when you're doing the homework, sometimes you might get doubts. Alright, so for those students, you can take this Pro Classic, you will get doubt solving on mobile app. And then comes Pro Plus. So this is for those students who are, let's say, struggling with conceptual clarity, and say sometimes get demotivated because all of these things. So this will be the best course for you, because you will get all the features of Pro Lite as well as Pro Classic, plus one personal mentor. So you'll get personal mentor who will be taking care of your say study schedule, how much you are studying, where you are showing improvement. If you are not showing improvement in any subject, they'll talk to you like what difficulty you are facing, and they'll make sure that difficulty is removed. So they will be acting as your coach, guide, supporter, motivator, teacher, doubt solving, anything academic, non-academic, you can always rely upon them. So that's going to be a big and a strong support system in your life, and they will make sure that this difficult journey passes smoothly. All right, so based on the features, the prices are different: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, and Pro Plus. You can see the yearly prices shown over here. Now obviously guys, let me tell you one thing very clearly. It's not like the prices are different, that's why the classes of Pro Lite, Pro Classic, and Pro Plus will be different. No, classes are same, teachers are same, the only difference is post class engagement. Okay, so let me be very clear on this point. It's not like you take Pro Plus, you'll get the best teachers. All the teachers at Vedantu are best. Let me tell this thing very clearly. All right, so classes will be same. Now you decide that how much personalization you require. All right, now all these courses, if you want, you can try it for 1 month. All right, you can only try it for 1 month, and I'm pretty sure after that you'll be satisfied, and then you can buy the complete course. Now there are some students who might not be able to pay this all together. They'll be like, sir, meko monthly wala, I like it more. So don't worry guys, when you buy a complete course, EMI option is also available for you, and you can pay this amount in EMIs as well. Okay? And the important thing, GPE Pro should be here so that you don't pay anything extra. Okay? Let me show you. If I remove GPE Pro, so look at the price what you're getting over here. The price you're getting this is around 30,000. But when I apply GPE Pro, okay, GPE Pro, so you can see the prices have been decreased by 10%. Here also you have to apply, you have applied GPE Pro, prices has decreased. Here also it has decreased. Dekh lo. All right, so this is the decreased price right now. 10% off you are getting. All right, any other query which I was not able to answer guys, please go to the bottom of this page. Here you can see frequently asked questions and all the types of questions which might be there in your head. You can get answer for all this. ठीक है बच्चों? All right, let's move ahead now with some questions. The first question, express each of the following in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. अब देखो, some students have this thing कि अरे sir, my value of abc is different, their value is different, so it can happen, है ना? अब suppose some students will shift 2x over there and 3y over there, some will shift only 6 over there, so abc values can be different. ठीक है? For example, first equation I will write it as minus 2x plus 3y, 6 shifted there, minus 6 equal to 0. Important thing is writing that equation in the form equal to 0. That is very important. So get all terms on one side. So now I can say for me a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. You might get the answer a 2, b minus 3, c 6 if you shift LHS to RHS. So that's okay, no issue with it. Second one, I have x by 5 minus y by 6. 1 shifted there will become minus 1 equal to 0. So I can say value of a, please don't write it as 5. Coefficient is when something is multiplied with the variable. So with x, I have not multiplied 5. I multiplied 1 by 5. So a is 1 by 5, b is minus 1 by 6, and c is equal to minus 1. Alright. So these will be my values of a, b and c. Ab dekho, some can take the LCM over here and then simplify the equation. So if we take LCM, it will be 6x minus 5y equal to 30. So in that case, ABC value will be different, but all those will be accepted as correct answer. It's not like, sir, which one is correct? All are correct. Alright, if you are doing it right. Because it's all about how are you representing the equation. Okay, beta? Okay, next question. Check which of the following are the solutions of this equation. So we need to see which one are the solution. That means you got to know कि we need to find out that which of these following ordered pair will satisfy this equation. Okay, so first one, minus 2 comma 5 by 2, I have told you always it is x comma y. So x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 by 2. Let's put it in this equation. So 5 into, what is LHS? LHS is 5 into minus 2, minus 4 into y is 5 by 2. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Here 2 into 2 minus 2. So minus 2 into 5 is again minus 10, which means minus 20. And RHS is equal to 20. So LHS is not equal to RHS. We can say first one is not a solution. First one is not a solution, yeah, not liking it. Okay. Second one, let's look at the second problem. Second solution, we have x equal to 0, y equal to minus 5. So I can say LHS. What is LHS, bacha? LHS is 5 into 0 minus 4 into minus 5, which is 0 minus into minus is plus 20, which means 20. LHS is equal to 20 and RHS is what? Also 20. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS, and that is why second one is a solution. Second is a solution. Let's look at the third one. Third, we have x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 5 by 2. So if I put x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 5 by 2, so 5 into 2 minus 4 into minus 5 by 2 is your LHS. And RHS we know is equal to 20. So 5 2s are 10. Negative into negative is positive. 4, this 2 times 5 2s are 10. Again 20. So here also, guys, we have got LHS is equal to RHS. So third one also is a solution. So first one not a solution. Second and third are the solution. Okay? Alright, easy. Next, find 5 different solution of the equation. A 5 kya, we can find 5,000 solution also, because there are infinite solution. Okay? Only thing, put different values of the variable, you'll get the different answer. So let's say, guys, I start with, let's say, put x equal to 3. So I put x equal to 3. 3y is equal to 4 into 3. So y will be equal to 4. 3 to 3 got cancelled. Alright. So ordered pair will be 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Obviously. Second solution, if you want to get, let's put, let's say x equal to 0. So if I put x equal to 0, 3y is equal to 4 into 0. That means 3y is equal to 0. So y is also equal to 0. That is my second solution. Y is also equal to 0. Then I can take the next solution. Let's take, this time let's take the value of y. Let's assume the value of y. So let's say y is equal to 2, let's say. So 3 into 2 is equal to 4x. So x will be 3 into 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 3 by 2, which means 1.5. So you can say x is equal to 1.5. Alright, so this way you can find 5 different solutions, and it is not necessary that you take only these values. You can take any value which you want. Alright, So this is how you can see 5 different solution. You can take any value which you want. Okay? Now, as I have told you guys that I am going to conduct exclusive micro courses for all the pro students. The topics are master coordinate geometry with all important questions, guys. You know, there are this is for like grade 10 students. All right, so this is like key. You have your distance formula and section formula, all those, and similarity of triangles. Very important topic. Please join the micro courses with the pro subscription, and I'm telling you, you'll be having a lot of conceptual clarity. That's the guarantee. The topics will become easy for you. Okay? So don't forget to join these micro courses. All right, for all the pro students. Next question. If x equal to 3k plus 2 and y is equal to 2k minus 1 is the solution of this equation, find the value of k. So beta, this equation over here given to us, what is this equation? 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So x is 3k plus 2, y is 2k minus 1. Let's replace that value. So write x as 3k plus 2, write y as 2k minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. This is my equation. Let's solve it to get the value of k. Because these values, if they are the solution, they must satisfy the equation. So 4 3s are 12k plus 4 2s are 8. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6k. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So it will be 6k plus 12 equal to 0. 6k is equal to minus 12. K is equal to minus 2. Alright. So the value of k will be equal to minus 2. Very easy. They are solutions, so they must satisfy the equation. Okay. Next question. Now this is a word problem. Alright. So look at this word problem carefully. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So whenever you are taking a book from this library, for the first, by any book you take, you have to take it for 3 days. So that is a fixed charge. Even if you return it after 1 day, you have to pay for those 3 days charges. So minimum 3 days charges you have to pay every time, and that is a fixed charge. Okay? Any book you have to issue, you have to give that. If you keep it for more than 3 days, then for every extra day, you have to pay some more charge. Obviously, makes sense, right? So they say Arushi paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. The important thing is 7 days. If the fixed charges are rupees X and per day charges, after 3 days, per day charges are rupees Y, write the linear equation representing the above information. So देखो बेटा, total there were 7 days. In the 7 days, out of the 7 days, for the first 3 days, you have already paid the fixed charges rupees X. And for the remaining 4 days, you are paying rupees Y per day. Rupees Y per day. So I can say total charge. So for the first 3 days, it is rupees X. Plus for the next 4 days, every day, per day rupees 4. Oh, sorry, per day rupees Y. So for 4 days, it will be 4 into Y. So X plus 4Y. This is the total charge, and total charge for Arushi is given as 27. So this is my equation. This is the linear equation stating this given information. ठीक है बच्चों? Alright, x plus 4y is equal to 27. Next question, which is our question of the day. Although you will be thinking, sir, today's question of the day is comparatively easy because the topic is easy, guys. So x equal to a and y equal to 0, and x equal to 0 and y equal to b are the solution. This is not 4. These are for the find the solution of this form. Okay, of this form, that x is equal to something, y equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to something. And is there any common solution? So we have two equations. 2x plus 5y equal to 10. Chalo, first solution, let's see over here. Let's see what is x when y is equal to 0. So it will be 2x plus 5 into 0 is equal to 10. So 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 5. Okay, first solution. Second solution, let's say this time x is equal to 0. Let's see what will be y. So I can say 2 into 0 plus 5y is equal to 10. You'll get 5y is equal to 10. That means y is equal to 2. So these are the two solutions of this first equation. Okay. Similarly, guys, let's find out the solution for the second equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So let's say what is x when y is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Okay. Second one, let's see when x is equal to 0, what is y? So you will say 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. You'll get 3y is equal to 6, so y is equal to 2. Alright, y is equal to 2. Clear, guys? So these are the solutions which the question asked. X equal to a, y is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0, x equal to b. Y is x equal to 0, y is equal to b. Both the types of solution we have got. Is there any common solution? So हाँ sir, x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 is the common solution for us. है ना? X equal to 0 and y equal to 2 is a common solution for us. Yes or no? देख लो यहाँ पे. This is a common solution for both the equations. So yes sir, these two equations do have a common solution, x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Done? That's our question. Okay. So guys, this is how you can solve these questions, and comparatively this topic is very easy. Alright. So I'll show you one homework question now, but before that, please don't forget to like this video and share this video if you have enjoyed the class, if you have enjoyed the starting the learning from the very basic. ठीक है? And if you don't like it, तो मत करो ऐसा. हाँ, please like it. Okay. So this is the done, and the next thing will be graph of linear equation in two variables. अब this is your homework question. ठीक है? अब you will say कि सर ये क्या है? What is this? So this is called lambda. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Lambda. All right. So find the value of lambda, some constant. If x equal to minus lambda and y is equal to 5 by 2 is a solution of this equation x plus 4y minus 7. Easy question. Where you will give me the answer? In the comment section. Alright. And guys, very good quote over here. There is no substitute for hard work. Hard work you have to do. Maximum contribution we at Vedantu can do is we give you the guarantee. Alright, that's the maximum contribute, but your hard work is always there. Okay guys, so I have told you the link is mentioned in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Don't forget to join it for the pro subscription, and remember, this price you are not paying only for completing your syllabus once, because you can you can complete your syllabus, you can study a topic as many times as you want, because there is unlimited micro courses, and also guarantee of your improvement. Otherwise, take your whole course fee back. So you are not alone in this journey. We are there with you in every step, and if you don't improvement, then take your whole course fee back. Alright guys, so please don't forget to join the class, and you can see the batches are starting very soon. So don't wait till the batch will start on 19 July, so I'll take the course on 19 July only. No, don't do that. Take the subscription now only. It is going to help you in this regard, that the time which you are going to get in between, you can attempt bridge courses, you can go for the micro courses and meet different teachers. Alright, so you can explore a lot of things in between that. That's a very important time which you are getting right now. Alright, so guys, do let me know how you like this video, and if you are getting any doubts guys, please mention it in the comment section. Also give me the homework question in the comment section. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press that bell icon. Alright, so I'll see you soon guys. मिलते हैं वापस. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.